Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a topic that's been splashed all over social media: side hustles. I know you've seen those flashy videos promising you financial freedom with just a few clicks. But what's the real truth behind side hustles? Let's break it down. Let's start by defining what a side hustle actually is. Side hustles are a great way to make some extra cash on top of your regular job. The best part? They can help you save up for a vacation, reach future goals, or just ease that everyday financial stress. There are so many options out there, from reselling stuff on eBay to driving for Uber. Some side hustles can really rake in the earnings, and a lot of people dream of turning theirs into a full-time gig. It's especially tempting for those who get to monetize their hobbies. Who would want to get paid for doing something they love? It's an exciting thought. To be honest, most people don't really want a side hustle. After a long day at the office, the last thing anyone thinks is, I can't wait to drive intoxicated customer home from the bar, or handle complaints. Sure, platforms like eBay suggest that people need side gigs, and some may convince themselves they don't completely dislike them. A side hustle should ideally meet several key criteria. First and foremost, it needs to be profitable, otherwise it's just a hobby. It should also be manageable outside of your regular work hours and align with your skills and available resources. If it meets these conditions, why not consider turning it into your full-time job? We often hear that to be successful, you should have multiple income streams, and that nobody really got rich just working a 9 to 5. These ideas push us to think about chasing something behind just our main jobs. But where did this idea come from? How did this side hustle trend begin? I did some research and found that it all started from an IRS study in 2002 that examined the tax returns of 6,353 healthy individuals who passed away between 1996 and 2002. The research revealed that these millionaires had 7 distinct income sources: investment income, earned income, rental income, royalty income, capital gains, and interest income. This highlights a significant issue. Most of these income streams stem from already being wealthy, rather than from the hustle or grinding. The study also found that most people build their wealth by starting one business or focusing on a single high-paying career. They used that success to invest in assets. They created extra income streams. They claim that the average millionaire has 7 income streams is a bit misleading. A study found that only 29% of millionaires reported having 5 or more streams. Most actually have around 3, which is still impressive. And it's pretty common for multimillionaires to have a job, earn dividends, and make interest from savings accounts. It's pretty disappointing, but the reality is that not many people actually get rich despite what some may have you believe. Plus, there is another issue. This research focused on people who passed away between 1996 and 2002, and most people tend to die when they're older. Older people, especially retirees, have had more time to build up their assets and diversify their income beyond just their main job. But let's be real. 99% of people that achieve huge financial success at a young age do it by maxing out one income stream or I inherit wealth. So the idea that multiple income streams are the key is not true. So the reason why this fairy tale has become a trend is very simple. Let's talk about that get-rich-quick illusion. Many YouTubers and gurus market the idea of starting a new side hustle that only takes 10 minutes a day. Sound exciting, right? But let's be real. Success is rarely that simple. It's not about the sparkly sales pitch. It's about the real hard work behind the scenes. And if you've been paying attention, you'll notice that side hustle videos do really well on this platform. You see things like make $10,000 a month with 5 easy side hustles, or $5,000 a day with $500 side hustles that only takes 30 minutes a week. 99% of these YouTubers test these side hustles simply to create videos that attract views. The real source of income doesn't come from side hustles, but from channel monetization. No one gets financially success by flipping nightstands on Craigslist or buying candles from Walmart to sell on eBay for a $4 profit. Another problem with these side hustles is that you have to learn how to do them, which takes a lot of your time. Pursuing these side hustles won't make you rich, but it will take a lot of your time to learn a lot of side hustles at a mediocre level. The reason most of these magical side hustles last only a short time is that if they work, they only work for a little while, forcing you to move on to the next side hustle. This leads to a scatter approach, meaning you work a lot, earn little, and aren't building anything. A lot of the time it's because people struggle to figure out what they actually want to invest in to grow their skills. When you don't have the one thing you're truly passionate about, you end up dabbling in a bunch of different stuff instead. You might get decent at a few things, but you really never excel at any one of them. If you just follow the crowd, you'll end up just like everyone else. The problem is we just want everything right now. That is the world that we live in today. And I'm telling you, most side hustles videos, they are completely joke. So what do you want to achieve in your life? Instead of jumping from one side hustle to another, take a moment to reflect on your true passions and career goals. Identifying what you really want to do is far more valuable than chasing every side hustle trend. So before you hop on another side hustle trend, take a step back. Isn't it better to focus on a single activity and become one of the best out there? If you need to clarify your ideas and know exactly what you can do in your situation, I am currently offering a completely personalized lesson, tailored with step-by-step procedures and specially designed strategies. If you are interested, you'll find the link below. I only have 10 spots available at the moment. If you have questions, you can subscribe to the channel and put them in the community section, the questions corner. Every Tuesday, I'll answer the questions from channel subscribers live. It will be like a free consultation, so take advantage of it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights. Let's shift the focus from quick bucks to long-lasting success. Thanks for watching, and until next time!